Welcome to a journey of discovery into the world of nutritious and delicious foods that have the power to aid in weight loss. My name is Jane, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting exploration. We'll be delving into the importance of whole foods, smart protein choices, healthy fats, hydration, and even detoxification. We'll also touch on the crucial role of mindful eating habits in successful weight loss. So, whether you're just beginning your wellness journey or are a seasoned health enthusiast looking to broaden your knowledge, there's something here for everyone. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of nutrient-packed foods that can fuel your journey towards a healthier you. Whole foods are nature's gift to us. They are nutrient-dense and play a crucial role in weight loss. Imagine a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Each color represents different vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function optimally. Whole foods are the real MVPs in the game of weight loss, and let me tell you why. Firstly, they are rich in fiber. Fiber is like your body's best friend. It keeps your digestive system healthy, slows down the absorption of sugars, and most importantly, it keeps you feeling full for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for those high-calorie snacks in between meals. Secondly, whole foods are low in calories, but high in volume. This means you can eat a lot of them without consuming too many calories. A bowl of fresh salad or a juicy apple can be just as satisfying as a slice of cake, but with a fraction of the calories. Thirdly, whole foods are packed with essential nutrients. They provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. When your body is well nourished, it's more effective at burning calories and losing weight. Now, let's talk about the power of whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are rich in complex carbohydrates. These are slowly digested by the body, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. This not only helps you stay active and energetic, but also curbs those mid-afternoon cravings. Lastly, let's not forget about legumes. Beans, lentils, and peas are fantastic sources of plant-based protein. They are also rich in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. So, if you're looking to lose weight, consider making whole foods the star of your plate. They are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with all the good stuff your body needs to shed those extra pounds. Whole foods are a powerhouse of nutrition, helping you stay full, energized, and on track with your weight loss goals. Protein, the building block of life, is also a key player in weight loss. It plays a vital role in every cell of your body, facilitating growth and repair. But did you know that protein can also be your ally in your weight loss journey? When we think of protein, we often imagine a juicy steak or a grilled chicken breast. While these are indeed sources of protein, it's important to remember that not all proteins are created equal. When it comes to weight loss, lean protein sources are your best bet. Consider grilled chicken, for instance. It's low in fat, high in protein, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Fish, too, is an excellent lean protein source, particularly fatty fish like salmon that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to support weight loss. But what if you're vegetarian or vegan? Does this mean you're left out in the cold? Absolutely not. Plant-based protein sources can be just as effective for weight loss. Foods like tofu, legumes, quinoa, and even green peas are packed with protein and can easily be incorporated into your meals. Protein is also known for its satiety factor. It helps keep you feeling full, which means you're less likely to reach for that mid-afternoon snack. And let's not forget about its role in preserving muscle mass. While losing weight, it's essential to ensure that what you're losing is fat, not muscle. And for that, protein is crucial. So how much protein should you be eating? While it varies from person to person, a general guideline is to aim for around a quarter of your plate to be filled with lean protein. Choosing smart protein options will help preserve muscle mass, keep you full, and support your metabolism. Remember, weight loss is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body while also helping you achieve your weight loss goals. Not all fats are created equal. Some can actually help you lose weight. A surprising statement, isn't it? Yet it's absolutely true. The key lies in understanding the difference between unhealthy fats and healthy fats. The latter, often referred to as good fats, can indeed play a pivotal role in weight management. You see, our bodies need dietary fat to function properly. Among other things, it provides energy, aids in nutrient absorption, and is necessary for hormone production. Some fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can even help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. But let's talk about satiety, that pleasant feeling of fullness you get after a meal. It's no secret that fats are more calorie-dense than proteins or carbohydrates. But what you may not know is that they also take longer to digest, which means they can keep you feeling satisfied for a longer period of time. This can be a real game changer when you're trying to lose weight, as it can help curb those pesky cravings and prevent overeating. Now, where can you find these amazing healthy fats? Avocados, for starters, are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats. They're also packed with fiber and water, both of which contribute to feelings of fullness. Nuts and seeds too are rich in healthy fats, along with being high in protein and fiber. Then there's olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is associated with heart health and longevity. It's a wonderful source of monounsaturated fats and can easily be incorporated into your meals. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of polyunsaturated fat that's been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and better brain function. And let's not forget about eggs. Although they've been controversial in the past, recent research suggests that they can be part of a healthy diet. They're a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fats, and they're incredibly filling. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include some good fats. They'll not only contribute to your overall health, but also help keep those hunger pangs at bay. Water is the elixir of life, and it can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. Our bodies are composed of about 60% water, and maintaining this balance is crucial for overall health. When we're dehydrated, our bodies often confuse thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. By keeping ourselves hydrated, we can better regulate our appetite and even boost our metabolism. In addition to plain water, detoxifying herbal teas can be a great addition to your hydration routine. These teas, filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, can support your body's natural cleansing process. Think of them as a gentle daily detox, helping to remove toxins that can slow down your metabolism. Herbal teas such as green tea, peppermint tea, or ginger tea not only hydrate, but also provide a soothing experience, making your weight loss journey more enjoyable. So, drink up. Staying well hydrated not only aids in weight loss, but also supports overall health. Eating is more than just filling our stomachs. It's about being mindful and listening to our bodies. Mindful eating is an approach that encourages us to pay attention to our body's hunger and fullness cues. It's about eating slowly, savoring each bite, and being fully aware of portion sizes. By doing this, we can avoid overeating and make better food choices. Imagine you're eating an apple. Instead of mindlessly munching away, take a moment to appreciate its texture, its crispiness, its sweetness. This conscious appreciation can make the apple more satisfying and enjoyable, which in turn can help you feel fuller faster. Furthermore, mindful eating can help us identify emotional eating habits. It allows us to differentiate between physical hunger and emotional hunger, helping us avoid unnecessary calories. Mindful eating takes practice, but the benefits are worth it. It's not just about losing weight, but also about developing a healthier and more positive relationship with food. Mindful eating is a practice that can significantly contribute to your weight loss goals. Healthy eating is not just about losing weight, it's about nourishing your body. As we journeyed through the world of whole foods, we discovered their nutrient-rich potential to keep us satisfied and energized. We explored smart protein choices that preserve muscle mass and boost metabolism. We debunked the fat myth and delved into the world of healthy fats that promote satiety and control cravings. We emphasized the importance of hydration and detoxification, reminding ourselves that water is our best friend. And we acknowledged the power of mindful eating habits, encouraging us to listen to our bodies and savor each bite. This is just the beginning of your path towards a healthier you. If you found this journey enlightening, do like, subscribe, and share this video with others embarking on their own health and wellness journey. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.